Welcome to Other Levels. In today's video, we will continue learning how to create this executive summary dashboard using Microsoft Excel. In first video tutorial, we explained all features and contents of the dashboard, also the colors and fonts. Let's continue together. We will start by creating a radar chart showing the total profits on a daily and monthly basis. Here is the total profits as you can see in the data table. Here are the numbers of the days of the year in order. Let's add up the days of the whole year in the row field. Then the profits in the values field. We will add the years filter because this chart will only be for the profits of the year 2023. And we will create another pivot table showing the profits for the year 2022. The pivot table is now ready. Let's insert the radar chart. Remove the title and the legend. We complete their design on the dashboard. Let's start first with the 2022 profits chart. Click on the chart and then change its color to this dark blue. Now we adjust the dimensions of the chart. Make sure the line width is 1. Repeat the same previous steps for the 2023 profits chart, with only changing the color of the chart to a gradual yellow, as it will be shown. Both charts are ready, so now align them to the center and then to the middle. Let's start first by inserting a circle in the middle of them. Set the circle's transparency to 40%. Add a second circle, but without transparency this time, and with smaller dimensions than the previous one. We will add a white ring on top. Set the color transparency to 91%. Great! Now we'll add the months around the edges of this circular ring. But first we need a small white lines. Start first with the top middle line and the middle bottom. Then select all the elements of this part and align them to the center and middle. Duplicate this group 6 times to get 12 white lines. Just rotate it 90 degrees. Then add 30 degrees to each one. Select them all and then group. Now add the names of the months. We will add the total 2023 profits. Just type equal and then select the grand total. Now increase the font and make it bold. The final step is to add the primary grid lines. We'll use a circular grid line instead of a hexagon. Remove the fill color, set a gray outline color. Let's set the color transparency to 75%. We will need 4 grid lines, each with a different diameter than the other. Finally, add the vertical excess values. Here we have completed the design of this wonderful chart. We will now move on to add the strategies plans. Add the name and description for the analysis. We have got here the strategies plans. The first plan is to use 30% of the income for business investment. The second is to use 15% for increasing production capacity. And the last is 10% for advertising strategy. All we have to do is multiply the total 2023 profits by the percentages. We've got the amounts. Now we will show them on the dashboard in another format. From Format Cell menu, choose Custom. Then add this number format. Let's link the values to the dashboard. In addition to the names of the strategies, we will add a description of them. Now link the percentages. Copy and paste the format to speed up creation. Finally, link the amounts. Thank God. Now we have completed the first dashboard. And we're going to complete the last part of this template, which is the orders and returns analysis. We only want 2023 data here. We will keep the day number in the row field, and add the orders in the values field, and also the refunds. Now the pivot is ready. Insert the 2D column chart. Remove the legend and horizontal axis, and the grid lines. Also the fill and the outline color. Move it to the dashboard to continue adjustments. For the orders columns, we will use the dark yellow color. And the light gray for the refund columns. Sets overlap 100% and the gap width as well. Now let's make this column chart in another levels. Make sure that this rectangle have the same background color. Now add the chart horizontal axis. Then add two more rectangles. Fill it with the background color and set the transparency to 58%. Use the same previous custom grid lines what we created in the second video tutorial. Awesome design. Next, let's add the values. Firstly, let's get the total 2022 orders to get the difference ratio later on. Now add the total 2022 and 2023 orders in separate cells. But here we need the total refunds and orders together to extract the total purchases. So, type equals, then choose the total orders plus the total refunds. And now extract the difference ratio between these 2 years. Use the previous number format. I will add these values and highlight it on the dashboard. As usual, we must add the title and the description for this part. Then add the total orders for the current and previous year. Next, we will add the completed orders and total refunded orders on top of the chart. Use a small circle as a chart legend. Next, get the difference ratio between the current year and the previous year. Finally, we will add the average of the order value. We completed the dashboard, and this is the final modifications for the pivot tables sheet. The last thing is to protect and lock the dashboard. Select all elements and press Ctrl 1. Then from Properties, choose Don't Move or Size with Cells. And make sure to check on the Locked option. And for the slicer, make sure that it's not locked. And also check on Disable Resizing and Moving option. Finally, unlock the A1 cell for the 3 sheets. And for the data table, unlock the table as well. Now the dashboard ready for protecting it. From Review menu, choose Protect Sheet. And follow these steps for each sheet. Here, we complete preparing the dashboard. You can share your own experience for creating it. You can get this template by visiting our online store, other-levels.com. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Have a wonderful day.